Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. If you're a fan of Sam Heughan or the country of Scotland, you've got to read this book, Waypoints. What I liked about this book is that Sam gives a little bit of a background of his history, all the while hiking the West Highland Way. I've been to Scotland before and I've been around where he is hiking, and so it's kind of nice to kind of be a little bit nostalgic when I read the book and kind of think I can kind of get an image of, where he is and his journey. I like that it includes some color photos of his time as a young lad and also as he starts his career in acting. I find Sam's a really good storyteller. He expresses things and he gives a lot of detail, so you can kind of really immerse yourself and kind of feel like you're exactly where he is in his shoes, essentially. Here's an example of how he describes part of his journey. In order for me to complete the walk as planned and tick off the West Highland Way in less than a working week, it's vital that I don't fall behind. I find myself struggling to make any meaningful progress because the rain is turning the ground into a treacherous mire. I begin to feel sluggish, tired, and frankly quite depressed. This is not how I envisaged my grand adventure. As a romantic wander amid the rocky crags and sweeping glens of my ancestors, it's kind of sucking hard right now. I think that's really cute. It's a really entertaining read, and I know you're going to enjoy learning a little bit more about Sam Heughan, a little bit of his background and how he became an actor, and a little bit more about Scotland history as well. And that's my point of view.